In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Spotify Desktop Premium. If you want to stop your Spotify Premium subscription from your computer, the process is pretty simple, but there's one important thing to know right away. You usually won't cancel it directly inside the desktop app. Instead, you'll need to use Spotify's account website in your web browser. To begin, open any web browser on your computer and go to the Spotify account page. Once the page loads, sign in to your Spotify account. Make sure you're logging into the same account that currently has the premium subscription, because if you use the wrong account, you may not see the plan management options you need. After you're signed in, look for the profile icon near the top of the page and click on it. This will open the account-related menu where you can access your settings and subscription details. From that menu, click on Account. This takes you to the main account dashboard, where Spotify lets you manage everything connected to your profile, including your subscription plan and billing information. Once you're on the account page, find and click on Your Premium Plan. This section shows the details of your current subscription and is where Spotify places the option to make changes to your plan. Next, look for the Cancel Subscription button and click it. Spotify may show you some information before the cancellation is finalized, such as reminders about what features you'll lose when premium ends. Take a moment to read through that so you understand what will happen next. After that, click Continue to Cancel. This confirms that you want to end your premium subscription. Even after you cancel, your premium benefits will stay active until your next billing date, so you won't lose access immediately. After that date, your account should switch back to the free version of Spotify. If you don't see cancellation options in the desktop app, that's normal. Spotify requires cancellations to be completed through the account website, not the app itself. If you can't sign in because you forgot your password, use the password reset option on the login page before continuing. Once the cancellation is complete, it's a good idea to check for a confirmation email from Spotify so you know the request went through. You may also want to take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Finally, review your account status to make sure it shows that your plan is scheduled to downgrade to Spotify Free. And that's how to cancel Spotify Desktop Premium.